thanks so much for your time today. I really appreciate it because I know you're very busy, and it's really nice to see you again as well.
Anytime. Good to see you again, Pete.
Yeah, so thanks. So just wanted to ask, obviously, what's been happening at Pressure Tech recently?
There's been a lot of developments, a lot of news to announce, to be honest, Pete. 2025 obviously recently finished and has been a record year for Pressure Tech. And January 2026 got off to a record start as well, the highest order entry month we've ever had. So it's really a good springboard to start the year on. And we've got so much going on, I mean, in different departments. We've developed a new range of products that we're about to launch, a range of spec gas regulators aimed at sort of research, laboratories and the analyzer business. Similar to what we do now, it's just a slightly different concept, slightly different product range, slightly different marketplace. But that range of products will be complementing our existing portfolio, and that will be released next month. So we've got the new range of products. We've merged Asgard Engineering, which is a company we bought in 2021, a subcontract machine shop that we feel would be better aligned if it was part of the Pressure Tech operation. So we'll continue to offer that service, continue to operate as a subcontract facility, but it's easier to manage that sort of one business operation rather than two separate entities, and also to support Pressure Tech's growth and our expansion plans. So we've got the merger, we've got a move planned. We recently acquired about 14,000 square foot of office space on the same unit that we're on at the moment. So we're stripping out the unit, rebuilding the mezzanine, office, boardroom, training room, conference. It's going to look really impressive, and a new facility which will be complete around May this year. So we're going to be moving over to that facility and inviting obviously customers and suppliers around to see that place. More locally as well, we won an award as the large business for the High Peak and Glossop region, which was a great night out, organised by the local newspaper and sort of sponsored by local businesses. So it was a great pat on the back for everybody, great recognition for the work that we're doing for the local area. And as I announced at the award ceremony, 80% of what we do at Pressure Tech is export, and our second biggest customer base is actually in China. So outside of the UK, China at the moment is our largest market that we supply to. So it's great to be able to provide that kind of manufacturing and support from here in Glossop. And our next focus really is on the American market. So we'll be starting a new business venture in Houston, which is in the heart of the oil and gas market, where we're pretty strong in that particular area in the oil and gas sector. So by being in Houston and offering a local manufacturing assembly test facility, really will strengthen our position in the USA. So yeah, a lot going on at the moment.
It really is. Plus, I believe it's been 25 years.
Yes, yeah, it's a special year for us, 25-year anniversary. The logo was recently changed, as you may have seen. Sarah's done a great job creating a special 25-year anniversary with our logo. So it's been a good point really for us to be making all these announcements and all these expansion plans after 25 years, from where we started all that time ago to where we are now. It's day and night really, but it's a great time to be making all these announcements after 25 years of being in business.
Absolutely amazing. And to top it all off, you get the award.
Yeah.
So that's incredible.
Yeah, that award again is recognition of everything that we do. The product range, the team, the people that we employ, everybody within the company, deserves that award. I think for everything that they do to grow the business, and we'll continue to be ambitious with our growth objectives.
No, that's amazing. That really does sound. That is a lot of news. That's a lot to take in.
And there'll be, like I say, further news in another quarter. So we'll look forward to having that unit to present, and also further news that we're looking forward to announce at that time.
I look forward to hearing about that. Fantastic. Well, Steve, thanks so much for your time today. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Good to see you. Thanks, Steve.
See you. Thanks, Steve.